Assembly of the cutting handle. Cutting handles for the Nova system are 200 mm long. Cutting handles can be installed in an omission inside the panel. The omission can be made with various tools. The edges of the cutting handle completely cover all edges of the panel omission. As a second option, the handles with horizontal division can be positioned together with a divider, both on one side of the omission or towards the center. If you need custom-size handles, they can be made from the middle part of handle and two insert parts of handle. Cut the two insert parts for the handle into a length of 23.5 mm and the middle parts of the handle into the desired size. Insert the two insert parts of the handle into the middle part of handle. Drill the holes for the fixation of the insert parts with a distance of 7 mm from the edge. Fix the insert parts of the handle with four 2.9 times 13 mm countersunk screws. The assembled handle can be positioned together on one side of the omission or towards the center. To assemble the cutting handle for insertion into the omission of the panel, cut off 4 mm from both sides of the middle part of handle, but do not cut off the very top. Insert the two insert parts of the handle into the middle part of the handle. Drill the holes for the screws with the distance of 3 mm from the edge. Fix the insert parts of the handle with four 2.9 times 13 mm countersunk screws. Insert the newly assembled handle into the prepared omission of the panel. As a third option, the panels can also be divided by one custom-length handle profile over the entire width of the door, using one middle part of the handle and two insert parts of the handle.